How to log into Pinterest account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to log into your Pinterest account. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to sign into your Pinterest account, simply open any web browser on your device. Either directly you can open applications on your mobile device as well. For now, let's open the Chrome browser and click on the search bar at top of the screen. Type in pinterest.com and press enter on the keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of Pinterest. To log in, click on the login button at top right corner of the screen. If you haven't created any accounts, you can click on the sign in button and later click the login button. A media box appears on your screen where you can easily enter your login credentials, that is your email and password. You can also continue with Facebook and Google. But if you forget your password, you can click on forget your password link and easily recover your password. So after you enter all the credentials, click on the login button and then following the on-screen prompts, you can directly log in or sign in to your Pinterest account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.